In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your device's missing important security updates in Windows 11. So if you're trying to update your Windows operating system and you're seeing this error message, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and solve this. So the first step is just to head over to your Start menu and search for Services, and then we're going to click on the Services window. Now scroll right down to the bottom of this page until you see a service called Windows Update. Now once you've found this service, simply double click on it, change the startup type to Automatic, and make sure the service status is set to Running. If it's not already running, then you can press this Start button here to go and run it, and then just press Apply and OK. Now once you've done that, close out of this window. You'll then need to come over to the Start menu and search for Troubleshoot, and then click on the Troubleshoot settings. Click on Other Troubleshooters, and then next to Windows Update, click on the Run button and go through the steps on the screen while it tries to detect any problems with your Windows Updater. Once you've done that, head back over to the Start menu, search for Windows Security and click on the Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, scroll down and select Manage Settings underneath Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and make sure your real-time protection is turned on and enabled, and then you can close out of this window and you can try updating your Windows to check if that solved your issue. Now if it's still not working, what you'll need to do is go and manually install these updates. Now you can do that just by heading over to an internet browser and typing in Microsoft Update Catalog and then hit enter. Click on this top search result here. And then what you'll need to do in this search box is you'll need to go and search for the update that you're looking to install. So what we can do is head over to our Start menu and just search for Settings and click on this. In the left hand side, click on Windows Update, and next to your Windows Update, you're going to see this number that starts with the letters KB. Now this is the number that you can go and search for in the Windows Update tool. So I'm just going to type in this number here that's in my settings, and then you can go and press enter. Now, once you've found the update, we simply need to click on the download button to go and download it. And then you can click on this link button here. And once that's downloaded, it should appear in your downloads folder on your Google Chrome web browser. And once this is finished downloading, you'll need to open up this application to install this to your device. So I can just click on this like so. And just like that, it's going to install this to your PC. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.